Welcome everyone. In the last tutorial, we have seen Introduction to Arduino. In this tutorial, we'll see LED interfacing with Arduino. This is the first step to get started with Arduino programming. Let's have a look on the hardware requirement. We required Arduino Uno board, a USB A to B cable to interface microcontroller board with PC, and a LED. Note that a LED is having two terminals. The longer one is positive, whereas the shorter one is negative. Here is the schematic to interface external LED with the microcontroller board. The positive terminal of the LED is being connected to pin number 13, whereas the negative is being connected to ground via 220 ohm resistor in series. Now let's have a look on the software requirement. We required Arduino IDE latest version 1.8.9. You may download the software by using a link given in the description. Download the software and install it by following simple installation step. When you have done with the installation, you will find Arduino application icon on the desktop. Open it by double clicking on it. You will find a sketch with two default functions. Void setup is used to define pin functionality, whether the board pin is acting as an input or output. Coming to the loop function, it is going to execute the statement for n number of time until unless there is a external power cut. So let's have a look on the program. Here is the program to toggle LED at the pin number 13 of the microcontroller board for every 1 second. The first line hash defined LED 13 is used to define at which pin of the microcontroller we are going to interface LED. Coming to the void setup function, I have set the pin functionality as a output by using pin mode. Initially, I am making LED off at the pin number 13. Coming to the loop function, I have written a statement to turn on a LED by using a function as digital write LED comma high. This makes the LED on. In the next statement, you will find a delay of 1000 millisecond. This makes the LED on for 1 second. Next step, the LED is going to get turned off. As I have mentioned, digital write LED comma low. Again, I have mentioned a delay of 1000 millisecond. This makes the LED off for 1 second. So this process is going to get executed repeatedly for n number of time until and unless there is a external power cut. To upload the sketch, go to tools and select the microcontroller board from the board menu and select the COM port number. Here, as I have already connected my microcontroller board with the PC, it's showing me COM port number so and so. Go to sketch and click on upload. You may also use Ctrl U as a keyboard shortcut to upload the sketch to the microcontroller. When you have done with the upload code, you'll find a progress bar on the bottom right side.
So here is the output for LED getting toggle for every 1 second. Well, that's it. LED interfacing with Arduino. Please do support our channel by hitting a like, sharing and subscribing to our channel. Thank you.